following county, Columbiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge, Greene, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Wind advisory remains in effect from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday. What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northwest, southwest, and western Pennsylvania, east central Ohio, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When? From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down, and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Now here is the synopsis.